Spotify Music is one of the most popular platforms for finding and listening to various sorts of music. Consider what it would be like to be paid and make money simply by listening to music online. I mean, isn't it incredible? It makes no difference if you're from India, the Philippines, United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or anywhere else on the planet. In today's video, you can start making money right now by simply listening to Spotify Music, and your earnings can be cashed out fast. You can make $260, $460, or even a huge payment of over $900. And guess what? You can do it as often as you like. You don't require any followers, you don't even need to introduce anyone to the site, and there's no cost to get started because it's all free. All you need is a phone or computer, and in these videos, I'll show you a few additional numbers that can help you quadruple your money over other people, so stay around and watch them all the way through. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So today, I'll show you how to get paid for listening to Spotify Music, or at least some songs on the Spotify platform. I'll walk you through setting up your Spotify account in this video, which is absolutely free and can be done on your phone, computer, or both. I'll take you to a hidden website that no one else is aware of. You can simply get paid to listen to music after you've set up your Spotify account. I've never heard anyone in history speak about this, so pay attentively and absorb everything you can. So right now, I just want to show you how much money you can make by simply listening to music on these websites. You can easily earn over $1,000 by merely listening to music. I just want to show you how to get up to $800 and pounds quickly. This is a completely new website, and I'll walk you through everything. So start by going to open.spotify.com. If you have an Android phone, browse to the Google Play Store and search for Spotify. Make sure you get the correct tab because it has over 20 million reviews. Many individuals adore this app and use it to listen to music on a daily basis. The thing is that no one is aware of the secret website where they can earn money simply by listening to Spotify Music. If you have an iPhone or an Android service, you can simply go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download Spotify. But if this is your first time using Spotify, you must first register a free account. To reach this website, simply click on this link and then sign up for free to begin listening. You can sign up for a free account using your Facebook account or your email address. Confirm your email address and create a password, then give your profile username, which can be anything you want, as well as your date of birth and gender. Finally, click I'm not a robot to finish. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you can log into your Spotify account and see your profile right here. The first thing you'll notice is that there's a lot of music to listen to on Spotify, and it's organized into a lot of different categories so you can figure out which one will pay you the most. So, for example, if you want to listen to this music, you can simply click on the image and it'll begin to play, or you can just click on this play button right here to begin listening to music. But one thing that I'll show you is that you can actually create a playlist. As you can see, if you click on this that says create playlist, you'll be able to create a brand new playlist that will generate a lot of passive earnings every day. Now in a moment, I'll show you how to do that, but first I'd like to show you a hidden website where you can sign up to become a music curator and get paid just for listening to music. Basically, you can become a music curator by listening to Spotify Music and then making a playlist out of it. You can now submit them to this website when you've organized all your songs into a playlist, which I'll show you in a moment, and you know what to present, which is extremely crucial. You'll notice that you will be compensated for every song playlist you publish on this website. The more playlists you upload, the more submissions you make, the more money you will earn on this website. So now we know how many entries we'll need to make enough money. In other words, if your entries fall short of 200 submissions, you will not be paid. You can find a lot more information on their website, and you will be able to start earning money on their platform after completing at least 200 submissions. As you can see, the highest earning is 2,500 submissions. You can earn £800 on this website, which translates to almost $1,000 US, and you can simply repeat the process. This is a completely new website that is both thrilling and beginner-friendly, and it can be done by anyone who likes music. Simply go to musicgateway.com/get-paid-to-listen-to-music and fill out the form. Keep in mind that this could be a challenging sign-up process. I'll show you how to fill out all the documents you'll need to get started making money, so stay tuned until the end to prevent losing out on these crucial facts. Okay, so you may find these sites by scrolling down and looking for any button that says Apply Now. Simply click on this button to be taken to these pages. This article refers to a submission form for curator influencers and playlists. Because they're so professional, they'll provide you all of your money on time. Now, when you scroll down below, you'll see the question, are you a Spotify curator? We're gonna concentrate on Spotify in this video and show you how to listen to different types of music, arrange them into playlists, and then submit them. Simply listen to Spotify songs and organize it into separate playlists, then submit them and get paid. So over here, if you are interested, please fill out the form below and we will contact you as soon as possible. Scroll down to see the entire form. So first, enter your email address in the first box, followed by your curator name, which is your full name, in the second box, and then we'll move on to Spotify. Simply click on Spotify right now to get started, and if you go down to the bottom, you'll see a link to a playlist channel station on our blog. I'll show you how to do it on Spotify in a moment, including how to copy your playlist link and paste it into this box to apply for an account. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. On the following question, roughly how many entries do you receive each week? Remember that in order to start getting paid, you must have at least 200 submissions, because if you have less than 200, you won't be paid. When you're answering these questions, it'll depend on how much time you have, how hard you work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you want to submit. But make sure that it's at least 200 to get paid if you want to make it a full-time income. Personally, I recommend doing 1,000 submissions to start making a lot of money on this website. From there, you can decide what genre you accept or what kind of different music categories you like, such as pop, dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and so on. The more categories you have, the better. Next, follow Music Gateway on Instagram is a question we can just say down doesn't matter. If there's nothing more you'd like to say or want them to know, you can just leave these blank. And finally, with the questions, do you want to become a Music Gateway member or continue as guest? And after that, you should choose Music Gateway member and then choose continue as guest and simply enter your first and last name as well as your country. Now, because they allow people from all around the world, you can choose from any country. Simply enter your username and password, then submit. All you need to do now is sign up for a free account and submit your application. Once this website has accepted you, you can start listening to music and uploading your submissions to various playlists to start earning money. Now, we'll go on to a very important step, and I'd like you to go back to the Spotify app where we'll explore different types of music and mix them up a little for money. After that, I'd like you to check through their many categories that are important to Music Gateway, such as pop music. So click on the search option for pop music. When we press the search button, we will be presented with music from the pop genre. If you select View All, you'll be able to access all of the pop music with hundreds of thousands of songs to choose from. Now, what I'd like you to do is build a new playlist by clicking the Create Playlists button. Simply click the Create button to begin creating your playlist, which will be given a name such as Pop Genre. Take a look at these. You've successfully made a new Spotify playlist, so you can start adding songs from these genres to it for the time being. One of the best Spotify features is that it'll automatically suggest different songs based on the pop genre if you scroll down below. So right now, I'd like to add all of the music mentioned under recommendations to my playlist. I'd like you to include them in all your genre playlist. Take a look at these. I just finished everything in this way and over 10 songs are currently playing. Simply go to your library, then go to the pop genre under the playlist area, and then to this right here, which is the playlist that I just made with over 22 songs, and that is all there is to it. Again, to start earning, you'll need more than 200 submissions, so you'll have to spend a significant amount of time listening to diverse music and making playlists to submit them. So the next thing I'd like to demonstrate is how to get a link from your playlist. You can easily copy the playlist link by clicking on the three-dot icon right here. When you click this, the URL to your playlist will be copied, and you can then repeat the procedure by searching for and creating 4 different playlists, each of which you can add music to. With each submission, you earn. This is how you can simply listen to music and keep being paid. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.